A dishwasher. I think a dishwasher is closed. Is broken. Let me check. Oh, it's broken. God damn it! Need to call the operator. Oh no! What's wrong, Coco? A dishwasher broke. What? What did you say? A dishwasher broke. Well, let's call the operator then, because I call operator every 2 months just for this dishwasher. Come on, let's call the operator. Hello? Yeah, it's me, Garfield. The operator. Are you the operator? Yes. Okay. Dishwasher broke again. Can you fix it? Okay. No. Okay, please come. Okay, I'm coming. Man, dishwasher is working again. Coco? Yeah, that's good. Our dishwasher is working again.